In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a double transforming ninja star like this one here. Now, if you're coming from my previous video of the single one, the instructions do vary a little bit, so be sure to pay close attention and watch the full video. With that being said, let's get started. So what you will need is 2 pieces of origami or square paper, and with each sheet we're going to divide it into 2 pieces. So you can either use scissors or use this method here. So I'll go ahead and fold this one in half. Fold it in half the other way. Give it a good crease. And split it into 2 sheets. Now we're going to do the same thing with the other sheet. So we're going to fold it in half. Fold it the other way. And then split it in half. And like I said, it is okay to use scissors if you want to. So now you have those 2 sheets now split into 4. So we're just going to start with one right now. And what we're going to do is fold this in half like this. Now we're going to fold it in half going the other way. Now unfold. And at this point, there's a center creased line here. And we're going to take the right side and take this top edge and fold it down to meet this center crease right there. And give it a good crease. And then take the left side and this bottom edge and fold it into that center crease as well. And give it a good crease. Now flip it over, and we're going to take this corner here and fold it into that corner along this creased edge where it meets right there. So we'll fold that in just like that. Now if you fold it the wrong way, it will look like that, and that's wrong. So we make sure you take this corner and fold it into that line right there. And then go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. Take that corner and fold it into the edge right there. It should look like this. Now along this edge here and this one here, we're going to take just one at a time and fold it in and crease it like that. And do the same thing on the other side. Fold it in and give it a crease. Now with the other pieces here, we're going to be doing the exact same thing. Unlike the other ninja star, we make the 2 opposite. These here are all going to be the same. So if you want to fast forward, you can fast forward to the time that I'm put on the bottom of the screen right here. If not, you can watch me make the other ones as well. So we'll start with this one here and fold it in half. And take one side, fold it to the other. And then open it up and take this side and fold it down. On the left side, fold it up along that center crease. And then flip it over and fold this corner into there. And this corner into there. And fold these 2 in. All right, and we'll do the last 2. Fold this one in half. Fold it in half going the other way. Fold the right side down and the left side up. Flip it over. Fold this corner in. And fold the other side in as well. And then crease these two in. All right, almost there. We have just one more to make. Fold this down. Crease. Fold it in half. Fold the right side down. And the left side up. Flip it over. Fold this one in. That one in as well. Fold these like this. So now that we have the 4 pieces made, we're gonna set 2 aside for now and focus just on these 2 here. So we're gonna open up these flaps that we folded in and set one, rotate it 90 degrees and set it here in the center with all these flaps pointing up. Now the next part is going to be very similar to folding a cardboard box without tape, where you fold one side and then the other, the third, and then you tuck the fourth in. So we're going to start with 1 here. So we'll start actually with the top. We're going to fold this down, and that's just going to be just as is. And then you're going to go clockwise and fold this next one down, and then fold the bottom one down. And then the one that was on the left, we're going to fold over, but tuck over this flap here, but tuck it underneath this one here in that little pocket. So you can kind of bend it and fold it over, open up that pocket, and tuck it inside of there just like that. And just crease and fold everything nice. So now that you have this, when you flip it over to the other side, this is what you're gonna see. Is there gonna be this pocket going through this piece here. So now you're gonna want to take one of the other pieces and unfold one just like that, keep one side folded, and slide it underneath the red one. And then once you get to the other side, pull the top flap out just like that. So now you have this piece underneath like that. So we're just going to completely ignore the red piece and just pay attention to this blue one, and take your other piece and fold these 2 flaps up, and we're going to set it right on top of where that other red piece was. So now you have all the flaps of the blue and the red up. Now we're going to do the exact same thing, folding like a cardboard box. I'm going to take this top one, fold it down, the one on the right, fold it down, on the bottom, fold it down, and this last one, fold it over this top blue piece, but under this one here, and tuck it in that pocket. So you can kind of bend it over, put it over the top piece, and tuck it underneath the other. And then just kind of seat everything real well, give it some nice good creases. And there you have it. Now you have a transforming double ninja star. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, if you're able to make it, and if you had fun, please give the video a like. And also subscribe to the channel. I have a lot of really cool tutorials coming out here very soon. And also feel free to leave a comment of other models that you would like me to make a tutorial of. So with that being said, thanks for watching.